You can share a Base44 project by publishing it to get a public link, inviting collaborators to a shared workspace, or exporting the code to GitHub by selecting the terminal icon, and you can export project to GitHub for version control. Okay, to get a public link, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just hit share at the top, and you're gonna just see a link generated for public. Okay, and if you want to invite collaborators, just go ahead and send an invitation via their email, right, and control their access, maybe as an admin or as a user of the app. Okay, but if you generally want to basically, if you want to use it to test it out, maybe for different platforms, just say, and you want to publish the app like to the public, just go ahead and hit publish at the top and copy the domain and test it out to the public. Okay, so you can see maybe if there's any kind of issue. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.